Hi, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. And today we're going to show you a few hacks that, I don't even know what you'd call these.
They're kind of helpful around the house, and they make it a little bit easier to either travel or just to throw in your purse and have that product that you want. And when you get it in bulk form, sometimes you want a little portion of it, and so this really helps for that.
Okay, so Annie's going to get started on this little travel thing, and I have a little organizing tip which I'll share after her.
Okay, so if you can get a tube of toothpaste that is done, then what you do is you just cut it near the end. Okay, so that you've got the end on it. Then you can take a balloon and then put the balloon in. You can just push it through. Okay, so here's the end of the balloon. And then we just grab it, and you can even curl it. Yeah, you can even put it right over top if you want.
This is with a small tube of toothpaste, but you can do it with a big tube as well.
And it fits a little better with the balloon. Okay, so then what you've got is you've got space to fill up, and you can. Here it's kind of like a little travel. Let's say you have sun lotion in a big bottle and you want to grab just a little, you can do that. We're going to put some shampoo in there today.
And as she's filling that with shampoo, I will show you this little tip that I use at home in my drawers for organizing. So I take a utensil tray from wherever, and then each of my kids have their toothbrushes in their own tray, and then the toothpaste is here as well. So it just keeps things organized for each of the kids. So there is the one that has their comb or a chapstick, but they each have their spot, and they put whatever it is that they use in their little tray, and it helps keep things tidy in the drawer, and then toothbrushes aren't floating around on the counters. This is just a little tidying tip that I use a lot, and I really like for my kids. You can also put Q-tips in one tray. You can really do it the way you want. I have one of these for my makeup as well. So, okay, that is a little organizing tip as Annie is filling it up with lotion.
There we go. So we thought lotion instead. So here you go, and I didn't fill it up right up, but as you can see.
Oh, I'll have some. And you just squeeze it out. No, we need to see you squeeze it. Squeeze it out. There you go. Just like that.
There we go.
So then you have your lotion or shampoo, and they're little homemade containers.
So here you've got like a little sachet or your most favorite lotion or whatever it is, and you can just throw it in your purse and you can travel with it. So this is an easy way to just buy in bulk, but take advantage of a little one all done.
Hope you like these tips and hacks, and remember, you can do this too.